In this lecture, we will download and install the latest IntelliJ IDEA step by step on Windows 11 machine. Let's get started. Let's head over to the browser. I am using Chrome browser, but you can use any browser you want. In the new tab, type download IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click on the first link. It will head over to the official website download page. Here you can see IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. It is paid commercial, distributed with a 30-day trial period. Next, Community Edition is free and open source, licensed under Apache 2.0. It provides all the basic features for JVM and Android development. Click on the download button. It will download the exe file. Next, open the exe file in the folder. Double click on the exe file. Here we get Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Setup screen. Click on the next button. Here we need to choose the destination folder. So let's keep this default location as it is. This is the space required for this installation. Click on the next button. Select the Create Desktop shortcut. Next, select POM and Java. Click on the next button. Keep Start Menu folder same and click on Install button. It will take some time to complete the installation, as let's wait few seconds. Installation setup completed. Tick mark this Run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition and click on Finish button. Here the IntelliJ IDEA ID has launched first time. Confirm the user agreement. Click on Continue button. Perfect. Here click on Skip Import. Here we go. We have the Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA screen. This means we have successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 machine. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.